Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash. I'm trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So, if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So, let's get started. And my dear friends, we can see that gold is trading above 3000 level comfortably. Okay, and gold has also set a new high, and these days new highs have become very common for gold. And right now it seems that the next target for gold is around 3050, because initially gold was struggling at 3000 level. We also had good number of contracts or sellers around 3000 who were trying their best, okay, to reverse the market or to hold the market. But as we all know, as we always discuss, that market sentiment is above all. It doesn't matter what we have, it doesn't matter whether there's a support, resistance, no matter. Okay, if the market sentiment is bullish, market will be bullish. If a market sentiment is bearish, no matter what support we have, market will be going down. That's why I always insist all of you to follow the trend of the market. If you follow the trend of the market, your 70% job becomes easier. Yes. And right now we can see that gold is bullish. Why? Gold sets new all-time high. Gold rose above 3000 level mark on Tuesday, hitting a new record high as safe haven demand strengthened ahead of US Federal Reserve's interest rate decision. So the safe haven demand is again dominating the market. It has been the key reason why gold was so bullish, and still it is the key reason. So my dear friends, in this situation, do not look for sell position. Okay, if you are planning to sit on a position for a couple of hours to a couple of days, then you should be on the buy side only. The sell position may give you thrill, it can give you the adrenaline rush, but if you want to make money, then obviously you need to follow the trend of the market. It's simple. My dear friends, many of you asked me for a Forex broker which is safe and good. You can just go to my website, the link will be in the description, okay, and just you need to choose your trading style, because our requirements are not very high, but still a single broker fails almost every time to fulfill a demand. So if you're a day trader, click this option, and if you're a swing trader, click here. So if you're a day trader, you will come across options like Star Trader and TMGM. So as a day trader, low spread is your first priority, or should be your first priority, our first priority. So if you go with Star Trader, the spread on gold will be 20, it will be initially 27, but I can reduce it to 17 or 18. Okay, so if you are looking for a good broker, tier 1 licensed broker, safety wise top notch, go with Star Trader. The link will be in the description. And if you're a swing trader, then obviously you don't want to pay any swap fees, isn't it? So if you're a swing trader, then you can go with Vantage here. The spread on gold will be around 20 to 25, but it will be a swap free account. Okay. Okay, so now we are back to the chart of gold again. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and obviously there is no doubt that this market is super bullish. Okay, so what should be our trading strategy then? The trading strategy is simple, that we have been following for the last couple of weeks. I won't say days. Okay, and it is okay, buying at retracement or buy at dip. So buy at dip is the best trading strategy. Okay, you can follow for any bullish market. Similarly, if a market is downtrend, is a downtrend, for example, DXY. Okay, so if you want to go with a chart like DXY, then your simple trading strategy should be sell on rise, means sell at retracement. So don't make it complicated. Okay, so buy at dip. See, whenever market will be coming down, okay, so you get the best price to enter. And what is the second scenario if market doesn't come down? Market will be going up, isn't it? So in that case, you can buy at breakout. Simple. So here also we will be following the same strategy. Buying a dip or buy at retracement will be the best thing here, because our risk to reward ratio will be in our favor, and we will also get the best price or the discounted price. So you can see I have drawn many lines here on the chart. So let's try to discuss one by one. At first, let's talk about the black line here, the black line at the bottom. So the black line at the bottom is the best support in case of an accident. If market surprises us with a heavy selling pressure, then we have support around 2970 because of FIBO 0.236, plus we also have the 100 moving average coming up. It's far away from the current market price, so I have marked it black. But in case of an accident, market is full of surprises, isn't it? So we can look for a support around best support around 2970. And for immediate levels, okay, you can see I have shifted the FIBO here. So for immediate levels, we can look for support around 2980. Okay, 2980, 2981. 298081 because of, see, we have shifted the FIBO. Not only we have FIBO support here, along with that we also have previous support around this in the purple line. So this is also a support on the chart of gold if gold comes down. 298081, 2970. Okay, these are the two levels where we can look for a support if market shows heavy selling pressure. Clear? But in this situation, okay, 2980 also seems to be far away, isn't it? So we can also look for immediate levels like, okay, we can also look for immediate levels like, now see, I have shifted the FIBO to the top portion here. Immediate levels like 3004. Okay, 3004. Then we can look for support on 3000, 2999, 3000, 2999, and also 2993. Okay, so you can see these are the immediate levels where we can look for a buy on the chart of gold if market stays like this. If the size of the candles, see, this is the hourly chart. Okay, if the size of the candles remain like this during the day, and if you see with similar size of candles market is coming down, it means that the selling pressure is not very high. In that case, you can look for a support around these three areas. They are not very strong level. Okay, we have derived with the help of FIBO, but in a situation like this, as a day trader, we can go for a buy position. 3004 is a very weak level. Okay, not very strong one because of this, but 3002,999 seems to be a good level where we can look for a buy because it's a round number along with it's a psychological support. Okay, so this seems to be a good level. And 2993 also a moderate level because, okay, of previous resistance will be working as support, but none of these levels are very strong. So if you see market coming down with same size of candles, then only go for a buy. But if you see that during the US session market has suddenly formed a big red candle, then obviously we need to skip it. Okay, you need to use your common sense. Okay, and obviously gold should be coming down. Okay, not trend reversal. Okay, it's a different story. Gold should be coming down for technical correction, but when it will come down, nobody knows. Nobody can predict the market. So as long as there is no sign of trend reversal or no sign of correction, we need to go with the flow. That is the only trading strategy that will help you to survive. So when the selling will come or the correction will come, then we can sit on a sell. For example, if you see during the US session, market has formed a big red candle, then you can sit on a sell. But hoping for a sell, okay, that you don't know when it will come, okay, and simply sitting on it from now onwards is a foolish decision. Okay, hope is not a trading strategy. Okay, so as long as market is bullish, you need to be on the buy side only. And when there will be a sell, it will be a technical correction, temporary correction. Then as a day trader, you can sit on it. But as of now, forget about it. Okay. And if market doesn't come down for retracement, for example, at this moment we can see market is trying to go up. Obviously, market is bullish. So in this situation, obviously buying is very risky. Okay, for example, okay, if market breaks 2016, obviously there will be a breakout kind of a scenario. Listen to me carefully, okay, but it will be temporary because already market is at high. Okay, market has not come down for retracement. So maybe we will see a 40 to 50 pips high, means after hitting two, sorry, not two, it's three right now. Okay, 3020, maybe we will see market coming down again. So it is high risk. So if you really want to go for a buying at breakout, okay, we need consolidation. Right now, I will not suggest anyone to buy because this is very risky. At least we need, okay, market to stay like this. Okay, we need consolidation. After proper consolidation, okay, if market goes for a breakout, then we can go for a buy. So while recording the video, okay, during the Asian session, I do not see anything. But during the, okay, European session, if you see market staying in a range like this, then you can go for a bet. We need consolidation of at least 2 to 3 hours. Means on an hourly chart, we need at least 2 to 3 candles minimum. So when market, listen to me carefully, when market will consolidate, okay, just draw a line at the top. And when market will break the line at the top after consolidation of 2 to 3 hours, then you can go for a buying and breakout. But keep in mind, buying and breakout is riskier, especially in a situation like this. So follow proper risk management. Do not trade blindly. Okay, use proper stop loss. My dear friends, you guys already know that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again after 4 months. So it's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, specially designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money. I conduct the workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है ये. So in the 7 days workshop, at first there will be 3 consecutive classes and then there will be 4 weekly sessions. Means it will take place for a period of 1 month. Why 1 month? Because trading takes time. Okay, if you learn everything at once, you will forget. So the main intention here is to learn and execute, learn and execute. And as I said, 1 month support. In 1 month support, you will be added to a WhatsApp group, our WhatsApp community, where you will be receiving regular market updates and analysis. And my dear friend, this is a glimpse of our WhatsApp group, WhatsApp community, where you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis, so that you can understand how to proceed with the market. So this is how you'll be receiving regular updates, analysis, and during special events like NAP, CPI, we also have live sessions. So if you want to be a part of the group, okay, then also you can join. And these are the dates for the Hindi classes, English classes. You can see Hindi classes are starting from 4th, 5th and 6th. 4 तारीख से शुरू हो रहा है, and English from 11, 12 and 13. And these are the dates for the weekly sessions. You can join now also. You will be added to the WhatsApp group. You will be receiving free market updates, analysis till the workshop. And these are the topics that we will be discussing during the first 3 days. I have carefully chosen topics. I did not go for any fancy stuff. Okay, we will just try to understand, okay, how does the market work and how to survive in this game here. And you will also be receiving free risk management guide, discipline guide, checklist, lot size calculator, and many things. And for Indians, okay, there will be a special session because in India, okay, there are lots of complications, legal issues. So there will be a special session for Indians so that we can discuss everything openly, because there are many things that I cannot discuss openly in a public video like YouTube. Okay, so these are the topics of the weekly sessions. All the classes are conducted over Google Meet. Okay, you don't need to worry, because I record each and every session. Because of time difference, many people cannot attend. So you can get the recording also. And the best part is the fees. For 7 days workshop with 1 month support is only $20 or rupees 1500. Okay, where you'll be receiving trade setups, market updates, analysis. Okay, and trading takes time, we know it. Okay, it's a journey. So if you have doubts, questions, you are looking for personal sessions, mentorship, then you can look for semi-annual or lifetime support, where you will be receiving WhatsApp support from my side also. In semi-annual support, you'll be receiving 2-person sessions to clear doubts and ask questions, and in lifetime support, you will be receiving 6-person sessions to clear doubts and ask questions. And along with that, the WhatsApp group community access will be there for you always. And these are the payment methods. Okay, once you are done with the payment, okay, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. Okay, I will add you to the group immediately. So thank you so much, my dear friends.